Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to select paper size for printing a document in MS Word. So click on File and click on Print. Now guys, here you will see option to change paper size for printing. Here as we can see it's letter size. You can select A4, A3 or B4, B5, and also you can select more paper size from this list. Now you can change custom margins. So this is the normal, narrow, moderate, wide. So select paper size and margin. Here you can select 1 page per sheet or 2 page per sheet, like this. You can see here preview 8 pages per sheet. And if you want to set your custom size for printing, so again here click and click on more paper sizes. You can add your own size. Then click on OK. So you will see the measurement must be between 0.1 and maximum 22. So make height 22, it's maximum. Then OK. Some margins are outside the printable area of the page. Try moving those margins inside the printable area. So click on Fix and you need to select normal size for margin. Then OK. So like this guys, you can set margins, you can change paper size, and you can change how many pages per sheet. And also guys, you can change portrait or landscape orientation. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this simple and basic method we can know how to change paper size for printing in MS Word document. And also you can change margins and you can set pages per sheet. Thanks for watching this video.